notice how many handles this is. So this news event created this amount of volume, you know, in one, like what was that, like 1 second. This is the 15-second chart. So look, this is a lot, you know. That's why you're seeing these numbers. But again, I'm not encouraging you to do this. See how much handles this is? Look at this. 27. Yeah, that's like more than 20 handles for this small move, eh? And so you have to like train your eyes. Yeah. So because these are the moves that we are, you know, that we are scalping, we're not just gonna risk it and let it run to here, you know. But again, I would not trade this. I just want to show this as an evidence that you can trade after the news event. But again, you know, you see my stop loss is very big. You have to aim for here. The price is not really going there, you know. So I'm just gonna collapse the trade. You know, for me, I wanna see a bit more speed, but we're not seeing it. So I'm just gonna collapse it. But again, I want to emphasize these wicks. Yeah. So and this is what news is doing. And then when it cools down, like 5 minutes or 10 minutes later, you might want to look for your ID again. So let's wait and see what the price is gonna do here. Yeah, really tempted to go short here, but I don't know if it's gonna fill, you know, because we're still seeing here the spread, you know, it goes, yeah, it even goes to 2, yeah. So I'm not gonna enter here. I want this to cool down a bit. It is. So this is an indicator. A lot of people don't know this, but the spread, I call this an indicator. Eh? So this indicator, because it is showing me something. I want this to cool down a bit, you know, stay around 1 or below 1. But it's tempting to go short here. Let's see what gold is doing. We haven't been looking at gold for a long time. Let's see. Yeah, so you see with gold, there is much more speed, you know. You see these big candles. So let me see if we can do something here. And let's go back to NASDAQ. Yeah, so could have gone short there. Look at these points, how much this is, you know. Immense volume today, you know, because of news. But I want better spread before I enter. Let's see what gold is doing. Seeing a strong down move, and now let's aim for a bit more. Again, we're just looking for high probability setups, and we're not just going to aim for here. And because there's a lot of volume, yeah, obviously there's also going to be a lot of risk. But if you know what you're doing, you can easily scalp these numbers. But again, don't look at the amount. So it has to be in accordance with your risk management. I keep repeating this. So when we look at the wicks, you can also argue, yeah, you're also seeing it on the 15-second charts, and if we're going down, you can say this. I'm not saying you should only look on the higher time frames, right? But I think it's good to observe these things. But don't think that I'm like necessarily looking at these things, because my experience is that on the lower time frames, they often don't hold. So you always want to just use the 1 minute max, but definitely the 15-second charts to do your entries. Yeah, but I mean, there is some truth to it, So you could have said, "Hey, I'm seeing 2 weeks here, and then a down move here." So you're gonna have 3 confluences. Yeah, so I'm FOMOing now, because I'm seeing this. So this is the problem. And when you look at other charts, you're going to have a very big stop loss, and we're not really scalping the one-on-ones that we're looking for. So this is the downside. So we're seeing a lot of these bodies here. I'm just going to grab this. Again, this is not a trade. Ignore this one. Yeah, I shouldn't even trade in this because I'm not following my rules. This stop loss is way too big, and after the move already has happened here, the price now doing this, it's not relevant because we're not following the teachings. Yeah, so don't do this. Let's try to go short here, and it's not a big issue because we're gonna have a tighter stop loss here. We made a lot, so it's not a big deal if we lose this one. And no losses, so yeah, no problem. Let me see. Let's try to look for one more trade. No. I'm gonna look for one more trade. So let's see if it wants to do one more up move or one more move to the upside, and then we're gonna go long one more time, and then it's almost 30 minutes that we are trading, and that's gonna be the end of this video. So let me put this right. Nah, it should be here somewhere. Yeah. Wait, let's wait for the real move. If there's gonna be a move. Is this the move? Let's see. So just as a remark, so or as an observation, so even no, let me rephrase this. So we know that there's going to be news, and then it comes down to luck, because look what gold was doing. Gold was just trending, So you would have been lucky if you would be trading gold. Nasdaq, not so much, like seems like the price is consolidating, but you're seeing it. It's not impossible to do these trades, but you have to understand what you're doing, following the rules, the things I've outlined on this channel. And they're very easy things. I'm not saying trading is easy, but the explanations of what I'm saying are easy. Yeah, but because putting it in practice is a different thing, But again, I'm not going to the monthly, then the weekly, and then the daily, and I'm pretending there's some kind of algorithmic thing going on. But, my point is sometimes you have to be lucky, If you were trading gold, you could have easily done some longs here, Again, not going to make this video long. I want to show you what you can do in 30 minutes, 20 minutes. And again, I'm encouraging you guys to do only one trade. Yeah, look for your best setup. Have a good day, guys. Have a good weekend, and hopefully to catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.